Gentlemen, if you've ever felt that quiet whisper of concern about your spark, stamina, or sense of ease in moments of closeness, pause here with me. Take a gentle, mindful breath in through your nose and let it out slowly through your mouth. Feel the air nourishing your body, reminding you that this is a shared journey many of us walk as we age gracefully. It's a tender topic, often held in silence, but one that deserves our compassionate attention. Today on Mindful Senior Living, I'm sharing a simple, natural powder ritual you can place on your tongue before those cherished moments of intimacy, a practice that can softly awaken your energy, support gentle blood flow, and nurture your overall sense of presence and vitality. This isn't about chasing fleeting highs or synthetic shortcuts. It's an invitation to sustainable, heart-centered enhancement. Rooted in nature's wisdom, it's about honoring your body's innate rhythms, supporting prostate harmony, and rediscovering the quiet strength within. Before we flow deeper into this mindful exploration, I invite you to like this video if it resonates, subscribe to Mindful Senior Living for more gentle guidance on thriving in your golden years, and drop a comment below sharing where you're joining us from today. Let's weave a community of shared wisdom and warmth. I'm Elena Rivers, a holistic wellness guide with over 15 years of heart-led experience supporting men from their 30s through their 80s in navigating the ebb and flow of energy, intimacy, and prostate balance. My path draws from mindfulness practices, integrative nutrition, and the art of aging with grace. My deepest intention is to meet you where you are, offering tools to reclaim your essence, not just physically, but in rediscovering your true self, deepening those soulful connections, and stepping into each day with renewed ease and joy. Today, we'll mindfully explore how to nurture key flows in your being, circulation, the gentle spark of nitric oxide, and the subtle hum of nervous system harmony. As we cross the threshold of 50, our bodies weave natural shifts. Testosterone eases into a softer rhythm, vessels may hold a bit more tension, and nerves invite us to listen more deeply, often tied to a quieter nitric oxide presence. These are simply seasons of life, not barriers to your inner light. Yet, they can stir ripples like softer responses in intimacy, longer pauses between connections, or a veil of quiet stress. Breathe with me again. This isn't a failing, it's a call to tend to yourself with kindness. The beautiful truth? You hold the power to softly reignite your natural glow and presence. So, what is this nurturing powder I'm guiding you toward? It's a harmonious blend of L-Arginine and L-Citrulline, two ancient-rooted amino acids, backed by gentle science, that encourage your body's own nitric oxide to bloom, fostering smoother circulation from head to heart to every sacred space. The magic of sublingual wisdom, placing it under your tongue, allows it to dissolve swiftly, like a whispered affirmation, delivering swift yet serene support. In my circles, men share stories of firmer presence, brighter energy, heightened awareness and touch, and a soothing ease for the prostate, often unfolding within a few mindful weeks. Nitric oxide, that quiet messenger of expansion, acts as a gentle opener, easing your vessels to allow life's flow to vital areas, including those that weave intimacy's tapestry. Studies in trusted wellness journals echo this. These allies meaningfully uplift erectile harmony. Though they dance in everyday gifts like watermelon and beets, embracing them as a powder elevates their essence, making them more bioavailable, like sipping from a clearer, deeper well for your body's true benefit. Let me share the gentle arc of Robert, a 68-year-old soul who arrived in my space feeling like a fading echo, despite wandering paths of other tonics without solace. His tale mirrors so many, a call to pause and realign. We began with a tender sublingual ritual of L-Citrulline, beetroot essence, and ginseng, mindful allies for the journey. In mere weeks, he breathed of a rising tide in his daily spark and inner peace, a soft dawn of possibility. Months on, the shift was a quiet revelation. His beloved, with eyes glistening, spoke of beholding the partner she'd always cherished, their shared intimacy reborn as a dance of rediscovered delight and presence. This is the profound ripple of aligning with nature's flow. For deeper synergy, I invite weaving in beetroot's earthy nitrates for grounded energy, ginseng's warm spark for desire's flame, maca's enduring root for steady stamina, and whispers of zinc and magnesium, earth's minerals for testosterone's natural song. This whole body embrace softly mends what time has whispered away without jolts from chemicals or haste. It's co-creating with your body's innate intelligence, one breath at a time. The softening of vitality can touch the heart deeply, stirring shadows of doubt, quiet withdrawal, or a hush in shared vulnerability. Yet, with nourished flow and a returning sense of self, you can tend those bonds anew, honoring your worth and letting emotional sunlight return. For your ritual, a mindful measure of 1 to 2 grams under the tongue, about 30 minutes before a moment of connection blooms. This pause honors absorption's grace. A gentle note: if heart rhythms call for care, step aside from this path. And always, invite your healer's wisdom before new rhythms. Consistency, like a daily meditation, is the thread that sustains. Beyond this powder, layer in life's mindful pillars: gentle movement to stir your energy, sips of pure water as offerings to your flow, and restorative rest to renew your spirit. These amplify the ritual, dissolving roots of fatigue at their source. For your Tums tender practice, blend L-Citrulline and beetroot powder a teaspoon's harmony under your tongue 30 to 45 minutes before closeness. This small ceremony can shift worlds. To deepen the dance of connection, honor hydration as a daily vow and savor foreplay as mindful communion. These entwine with your allies for experiences rich in presence and fulfillment. You need not bow to age's stories. Instead, bloom into your later chapters with nature's elixirs, a heart of gratitude, and choices born of awareness. Your essence awaits your call. Begin with one breath, one step, and witness the unfolding. I hold space for you to comment below. I'm reclaiming my light. Subscribe to Mindful Senior, living for more whispers of wisdom on vibrant aging. Like if this touched you, and share with a kindred spirit who might find solace here. It's never too late to embrace your vitality, your quiet confidence, and the sacred threads of intimacy. I'm Alina Rivers, and with deep gratitude, I thank you for being here, for choosing presence, and for stepping into a life more luminous and alive. Namaste.